Hi everybody and welcome back to the hardreset.info channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how you can easily transfer the music files for your SHOKZ OpenSwim Black headphones. So, at first we need to have our headphones and this device which comes with our headphones. We have to put our headphones with this pin over here into the case, I'd say, into this device as you can see here, and close it. Now we have to plug this USB type A cable into our PC. Let me do it very quickly. Now we have to move to the as you can see, our PC, and here we have to open the file explorer. We have to open here this PC, and here we do have, as you can see, OpenSwim. Here we do have three, as you can see, music files, but we can add there some other. We just have to, for example, open downloads and search for some MP3 file. As you can see, I don't have any because I don't listen to music while downloaded, but you can move your own music in there and close it. Now we have to exit the as you can see, eject our device from the PC. So we just have to do right click on this and eject not USB 3.0, this LC thing. And as you can see in the File Explorer, not here, in this PC we can see our device. Now let me move to my camera. If we move here, our headphones are has new music as a guy. That's it. Hope it helps you and goodbye.